was the last time I'm open my heart? You speak a letter with my soul and my love. How should I deal with this pain in the dark? I'm falling apart, now I'm falling apart. Visions of the future have turned into music, dancing on the daylight, imagine lovely nighttime. Close your eyes and be there, listen your heart beating, moving to the tempo, drowning this memento.
Up, your money looking down bad though. I just be cooking up the hits. I've got that bando flow. First place, my habitat. Tell me how you gonna handle that. I've been in the game, I'm not on the bench. I've just got a different kind of flex.